3D printing has come widely far in the last decade. Modern 3D printers can now print the bubbles, the desk they sit on, the house that holds the desk, and even half of the person operating the printer. From the good to the bad and the very ugly, this list gathers 8 of the most bizarre things ever 3D printed so far. Number 1. Unborn babies. One use of 3D printing may be a surprise to you. There is a company in Russia that can 3D print unborn babies. Sounds like science fiction, right? But there is no fiction here, just science. Embryo 3D has developed 3D printing technology that allows your unborn child to be reproduced. Number 2. Entire houses. There's a company named Winson specializing in 3D printing a wide variety of houses. Winson and the companies like it typically do not print these structures in one piece. Instead, the parts are printed and then assembled at the desired construction site. Number 3. Spy cameras. A 3D printed micro camera is able to see externally far off objects with great detail. Along with journal drone technology, these cameras have advanced to point where they have eagle-eye vision. Number 4. Pizza and food of all kinds. Another company, XYZ Printing, has had their 3D printers producing pizza along with cookies, toast, cake and more. According to people who have tried it, the food is delicious, it's mind-blowing. Number 5. Working human organs. Transplants, though, are seen as considerably more difficult. Nearly 1/3 of patients die waiting for life-saving organs. At this point, the only successful 3D printed organ donation into a human is a bladder. Number 6. Robots. Robot skin technology has improved from 3D printing as well. This skin contains many sensors, allowing the robot to feel, at least in theory. Number 7. Turtle parts. When a tortoise named Freddy was badly burned in a brush fire in Brazil, he lost 85% of his shell. Thanks to the amazing technology of 3D printing, he had his shell restored and it looks as good as new. Number 8. Bionic Arms. 3D printers have been able to help more than just animals. 3D printers are able to create human prosthetics as well. One company that's been able to create a relatively affordable prosthetic arm is Open Bionics. Their 3D printed prosthetics, the Hero arm, weighs less than 1/3 of a pound and its components are all printed from a 3D printer. That's it in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. It means a lot. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.